Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good morning, I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Joshua Franson, and we have dry and mostly sunny conditions this morning. A little bit of fog, that's mainly because the winds are fairly calm today, generally out of the south at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. They increase just a little bit this afternoon, just enough to mix out that fog, but still pretty light out of the south. Then the same deal this evening and into tomorrow, but they actually increase into tomorrow evening. That's when we'll see a change in the forecast. But until then, fog clears out this afternoon, remaining mostly sunny and dry. Tonight, clear across the board here, and you guessed it, for tomorrow. As we head into the morning hours on Tuesday, still pretty much mostly sunny outside, and then into the afternoon, mostly sunny. But as temperatures increase throughout the day, it could feel a little bit humid, getting into the upper 60s in terms of dew points. Temperatures in the mid and upper 80s today, tonight, falling off into the mid and upper 60s, and then tomorrow, well, it's a repeat, hanging out in the mid and upper 80s throughout the afternoon. Now, as I stated before, as we head into Tuesday evening and overnight, that's when we see the change in the forecast. Well, we'll actually see clouds increase throughout the overnight hours, and as we head into Wednesday morning, rain arrives, widespread rainfall, and then throughout the day, Wednesday, well, we could expect more rounds of rain and storms. This is now Wednesday evening. We're still receiving plenty of it. Once we get into the overnight hours on Wednesday, we'll have a brief pause before more is possible coming up on Thursday. But some of these could be on the stronger side, these rain and storms on Wednesday. That's why there is a level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk, and we're continuing to monitor the potential for severe weather. But as of now, it seems like it would primarily just be for wind and heavy rainfall. We'll know more details as we get closer, so stay tuned to the forecast for updates. But at least it will wipe out our heat and humidity. We'll see dew points fall off into the lower 60s. That'll be very pleasant for July. And once we get through these at least storms on Wednesday, we'll see the 80s come to a close on Thursday for a brief period of time. Thursday, getting into the upper 70s for highs with lows in the upper 50s and lower 60s. That continues into Friday with partly cloudy and dry conditions before the 80s return on the weekend with a chance at some isolated storms.